hailing. Well, it was. Oh, really? Look at. Well, it's finally a decent storm.
Like a tornado.
What do you guys think?
Like a tornado.
No, not quite. It's not nearly as windy enough. It won't fall on your head. Look.
Ow.
What?
Kind of like ice going on my head.
It did.
It hurt.
How did it do that?
It come down.
Oh.
Can I go get my raincoat on?
No, it's still hailing.
Oh, man.
And it's really, really raining. Like a lot.
Yeah, look
at all that hail over there.
Whoa. I want to go touch it.
Who can go touch the fence first?
What?
Who can go touch the gate?
Me.
I predict one will fall.
Don't hold on to metal when it's lightning.
Oh, come on. It was just raindrops.
I know.
Is it fun out in the rain?
Yeah. I don't want to grass.
Oh, okay.
Guess what?
Is it cold? Do you have mud on your feet?
Yes.
You better go step in the water over there.
Where's the water? My feet are
She's
freezing.
frolicking.
My feet are freezing.
Probably because you're stepping on ice.
I know. I love you.
You love who? I love you.
Can I get my shoes on?
Oh, now your feet are wet, so what's the point?
Go run 5 circles.
I can see you.
In the grass? Can you run in the grass and make big circles?
Yeah.
Go, Nathan.
Okay.
She's beating you. Run.
Wait, I'm gonna go get my shoes on.
No. You're gonna stay in the front yard.
Hey, is that water or mud?
It's muddy water. So our power went out. We were watching. What were we watching?
Baby daddy.
Baby Daddy. Our power went out, so we're like, yeah, whatever.
And the power got off, so the TV got off.
Yep.
I want to take this off. I love this.
Hey Nathan, will you go get me some hail?
Oh!
Go get daddy some hail.
Okay.
There's a bunch right there.
Yeah, I know.
No.
I know.
Look. There's some right there.
Yep. Look, I got a huge one.
Well, that is
Get a bunch.
For Dad.
Dad, look, I got a huge one.
Wow, yeah, you did. Look at it. Pretty big.
Yeah.
It landed over there, but she threw it over there. See?
My hand is freezing.
Okay, I'll take it. Look at that.
Why don't you go potty real quick?
Decent size.
Real quick.
Decent.
Yeah.
It would be mean. It's really cold.
We live in the mountains. It's
I
gonna
have
be way
2
awesome.
big ones, Dad and Mom.
You have 2 big ones. Oh, that's funny.
No, don't eat it.
Yuck.
Yeah.
Sound like a duck.
Quack, quack.
Quack.
What?
Quackly.
Quackly?
Bunkweekly.
Mom, watch me.
Oh jeez, oh jeez.
Mommy.
That would be a van.
That was your teacher's husband.
It's a van. She's scared of a van.
Where's Nathan?
Going to the bathroom. You're cute. Oh man.
Splat. That was fun. Look at how much water is running down the street.
Oh wow, yeah. You know, there was a lot of water last year, and it was, even though some people's houses flooded, it was still really cool. Like,
Yeah, when it rains, it's like
Nathan, look
it's
at all the
like-
water going down the street. Go to the gate.
when it rains here, it really flash floods kind of thing.
It pours.
Ha ha ha. Ha ha. What?
I want to see this.
Okay.
First step in the water and go.
First you step in the water. Let's do that first. Did you put a leaf or a stick? There's a stick. Oh, there it is.
It's a cheese stick.
Cheese stick.
It's a what?
A cheese stick.
car.
Car.
Why is it a cheese stick?
Okay, now go back. Whoa! I love. Jump over, Mom.
How's that grass?